In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an Eventbrite event on Instagram. This can be done in a couple of straightforward ways, each with its own benefits. Whether you have an Instagram business account or prefer a more manual approach, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the first method. First, ensure you have an Instagram business account. It's crucial because it allows you to access advanced features. Also, make sure your Instagram account is connected to a Facebook page. This connection is necessary for seamless sharing. Finally, verify that your Eventbrite account is linked to Instagram and Facebook. With these requirements met, we're ready to proceed. Log into your Eventbrite account. If you're not familiar with the platform, don't worry. Logging in is straightforward, and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Once logged in, head over to Marketing Tools. This is where you'll find the options to promote your event across various platforms. From the Marketing Tools, select Social Media, then click on Share on Social. This will direct you to a list of your events. Choose the event you wish to promote. Selecting the right event is crucial as it ensures that the correct information reaches your audience. After selecting the event, choose Instagram as the social account to share it on. Eventbrite will generate a caption for you. However, it's a good idea to edit this caption. Personalizing it can make it more engaging and relevant to your audience. Remember, a captivating caption can significantly increase engagement. Once you've tailored your caption, it's time to upload photos or a video. Visuals are vital in capturing attention on Instagram. Make sure they are high quality and representative of your event. Now click Share. Your post will be published to Instagram. This step is essential because it ensures your event reaches your audience directly through their Instagram feeds. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can opt for the second method, posting manually on Instagram. Start by opening your Eventbrite event. Copy the event link. This link is key as it directs your audience to the registration page. With the link copied, head over to Instagram. Decide whether you want to create a post, reel, or story. Each format has its unique advantages. A post is permanent, a story is temporary yet engaging, and a reel can reach a broader audience. Whichever you choose, make sure to add a compelling description of your event. Engaging descriptions can motivate your audience to learn more. Include your Eventbrite link either in your Instagram bio or in a story using a link sticker if available. This is crucial for driving traffic to your event page. Finally, publish the post and encourage your followers to register. A call to action can significantly increase registration rates. Here's an extra tip. Eventbrite can generate promotional images and flyers for your event. From your event dashboard, click Share, then download a flyer image. You can upload it to Instagram as a post or story. Some flyer designs even include a QR code that links attendees directly to your event page. This can be a powerful tool in boosting visibility and attendance. With these steps, you're now equipped to effectively promote your Eventbrite event on Instagram. Whether you choose the direct or manual method, each offers a unique way to connect with your audience. Remember, the key to a successful promotion is consistency and engagement. Happy promoting!